Hey everyone, my name is Fatma Salvador Matano from BS Social Work 1C. Topic is Neo-Impressionism. As an art movement, Neo-Impressionism is considered a response to empirical realism of Impressionism. Most painters who subscribe to such movement rely on systematic and scientific techniques that have predetermined visual effects not only on the artworks, but also have the audience perceive the art. The leading figure in non-impressionism was George Seurat, who recorded optical sensation on a more scientific manner. His color theories paved the way for the techniques called pointillism. This art technique basically utilizes discrete dots and dashes of pure color. These elements are believed to blend with the view's perspective. Aside from Seurat, other non-impressionist artists include Edmond Cross, Maximilien Luz, and Camille Pissarro, and among others. Ang non-impressionism ay isang art movement noong 1880s na mas structured at scientific kaysa impressionism. Pinangunahan ni George Seurat at Paul Signac gamit ang pointillism, isang teknik kung saan maliliit na tuldok ng purong kulay nang ginagamit upang lumikha ng optical blending. Layunin nitong gawin mas maliwanag at dynamic ang kulay sa pintura. Isa sa pinakatanyag na obra ay A Sunday Afternoon on the Island of La Grande Chate ni Seurat. Art Nouveau between 1890 and 1910, countries from Europe and the United States witnessed the emergence and flourishing of a new art style. This ornamental style of art was bred from the conservative historicism, which was the prevailing and dominant theme of most Western artworks. This ornamental style uses long and organic from lines that are concretely manifested in architecture, jewelry, and glass design, among others, in most works. The defining characteristic of Art Nouveau is the instrumental line that usually is in the form in insect of wings of flower stalks. The line is done in such graceful and elegant manner that somehow evokes a certain power to it. Ang Art Nouveau naman ay isang art movement noong late 19th hanggang early 20th century na kilala sa organic, curving lines at inspirasyon mula sa kalikasan. Gamit ito sa arkitektura, dekorasyon, at sining na may mga disenyo ng mga halaman, bulaklak at eleganteng linya. Isa sa mga tanyag na artist dito ay si Alphonse Mucha at si arkitektura si Antoni Gaudi. Cubism. This is a style of painting that emerged in France around the turn of the 20th century. What makes Fauvistes revolutionary is that they use pure and vibrant colors by applying straight from the paint tubes directly to the canvas. This is done to produce a sense of explosion of colors in the canvas. The Fauves, just like the Impressionists, painted directly from nature. The difference lies with how the Fauves have strong the expressive reaction to how they portray these subjects. Most Fauvistes works reject the conservative and traditional renderings of three-dimensional space. What artists did was they introduced and promoted a picture space that is defined by the movement of color. Ang Fauvism naman ay isang art movement noong early 20th century na kilala matitingkad na kulay at malayang brush strokes. Pinangunahan ni na Henri Matisse at André Derain. Layunin nitong ipahayag ang damdamin sa pamamagitan ng kulay. Kaysa realismong detalye, isa sa mga tanyag na obra ay Woman with a Hat in Matisse. Cubism. Between 1907 and 1914, French artists Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque introduced a new visual art style called Cubism. This style would later on have huge influence on artists during the 20th century. Cubists highlighted the two-dimensional surface of the picture plane. Focusing a flat surface was rejection of dominant techniques, like the use of perspective, foreshortening, and modeling. In addition, one of the things that Cubism rejected was the existing and prevailing notion that art should imitate nature. Cubists emphasize that they are not in any way obligated to copy texture from color and space. They presented a new depiction of a reality that may appear fragmented object of viewers. Ang Cubism naman ay isang art movement noong early 20th century na binuo ni na Pablo Picasso at George Braque. Kilala ito sa basag-basag na hugis, multiple perspectives at geometric forms na nagbabago sa tradisyonal na paraan ng pagpipinta. Isang sikat na halimbawa ay Les Demoiselles d'Avignon ni Picasso. It is an early 20th century art movement that started in Italy, which highlighted the speed, energy, dynamism, and power machine. In addition, common themes for works in this movement are restlessness and the fast pace of modern life. Later on, the movement influence branched out not only Europe but also in Russia. The greatest impact of Futurism is evident in poetry and visual arts. Futurism naman isang art movement noong 20th century na nagdiwang ng bilis teknolohiya at modernidad. Gumamit ito ng dynamic lines, motion, effects at paulit-ulit na anyo upang maipakita ang enerhiya at paggalaw. Pinangunahan ni na Filippo Tommaso Marinetti, Umberto Boccioni at Giacomo Balla na may mga sikat na obra tulad ng Unique Forms of Continuity in Space at Dynamism of a Dog on a Leash.